LA, kasama po natin ang dalawang Pinoy at kababayan na miyembro ng Hollywood Foreign Press Association, Ruben and Janet Napales, talking to us about the Golden Globes, mga behind the scenes. Kung meron po kayong gustong malaman sa inyong mga paboritong artista, subukan niyo pong tumawag at baka alam nila yung mga sagot dyan sa mga katanungan ninyo. Ruben, earlier I asked a question, how soon after do you plan for next year?
Mga September, October, nagsisimula na kami, making decisions.
Okay. Ano naman yung mga parties? Sobrang saya ng mga parties.
Yeah, there were 7 parties. So ang dami nun, lalagariin mo yun.
Ganon, pinupuntahan nyo lahat?
Most of the time, tinitingnan namin what's going on each party. Kasi hindi mo alam kung sino nandoon, kung ano mangyayari. So, you have something for your stories.
At yung mga artista talagang nagpupunta. We have some pictures to share with you this afternoon. Tingnan naman natin si Miss Janet. Napakaganda ng gown. Tell us about this picture.
This was my niece, Elgin and Rosemary, and yung gown ko nga gawa ni Carlene Nuida Calloway. And natutuwa ako kasi nag-i-interview ako ng mga stars sa red carpet. Nagtitili sila dahil doon sa suot ko eh. Hindi nila masagot yung question ko. Who are you wearing? Ang tinatanong nila, who am I wearing?
At saka you had a special role this year sa Golden Globes red carpet because you were assigned to describe kung anong suot ng bawat
Yes, so kinukuha ko lahat ng kung anong damit nila, kung sino sinusuot nila, pati the men. So both female and male.
Pagka ganun si Miss Jana sa red carpet na Arrival of Stars yan, di ba? Ikaw naman, Ruben, nasan ka?
Ako tumutulong sa yung traffic flow, make sure yung mga stars there keep moving. Kasi otherwise, may bottleneck sa harap. And then, because we want everybody makapasok sa ballroom by 5 o'clock or before that at least.
Ayan. Let's take a look at some other pictures. Once again, our phone line is open. If you want to call, you have any questions about your favorite stars. Later, we're going to talk about Hailee Steinfeld. But for now, Ruben, parang ikaw to. Ito na! Parang hindi ikaw to, Ruben.
This was at the InStyle Warner after party and nakita ko lang si Harry Shum Jr. sa Glee and sabi ko, do you wanna dance? And we started dancing and he had fun.
Ano, magaling ba siya magsayaw?
Oh, yan ang dancer sa Glee eh.
Jealous ka ba, Ruben?
Siya ang kumuha ng picture.
Yeah, I was just proud to see my wife in this beautiful gown by Carlene. So, by the way, Carlene made me fall in love all over again with Janet. That's a beautiful gown.
Oh, how nice. Napakaganda ng mga gown. And you were saying kanina, Leah Michelle, nagtitili nung nakita ka niya.
Yeah, she was jumping up and down nung nakita ako kasi hindi siya makapagsalita dahil na-impress siya doon sa gown ko. So sinabi ko na, yeah, it's Carlene Calloway.
So talagang pag Golden Globes, yung mga after parties, it's within the hotel, Beverly Hilton Hotel, at talagang nagpupuntahan ng mga stars?
Talagang parang, sabi ng mga guests namin, parang it's surreal, out of this world experience. Kasi imagine, these are 7 major parties going on at the same time. So lagari, as Janet said, lagari ang mga tao. And all the stars actually try to make it to most of them.
But of course, it was at the Beverly Hills Hilton Hotel. Hindi mawawala si Paris Hilton. Tell me about her. How is she in person?
She was wearing almost the same dress as I was, except wala yung green sa baba. So when she saw din yung dress ko, sabi niya, oh, I love your dress. So pinakilala ko rin si Carlene sa kanya. And she's very sweet. And if you ask for pictures with her, she obliges. So natuwa yung mga bisita namin.
Ayan. Sino naman ang kasama niya? May date ba?
Wala akong nakitang date.
Okay. Ang date niya, as yung nakikita niyo sa pictures, Carlene Nuida Calloway with Rocio Nuida. Ang mag-ina sila, diba?
Yes.
Alright, let's take a look at some more photos. Also with a phone line up on the screen. If you have any questions, give us a call. Let's talk about this picture.
This is Jane Lynch with Rocio and Alan Del Rosario, another fashion designer, and my makeup artist, Rod.
Ayan.
So we're very proud really about the presence of Filipinos in the Golden Globes. You know, we try to push all these Filipino talents para at least may presence tayo doon.
I'm so proud of Hailee Steinfeld. She was so composed for her age and the way she was dressed that night. Talagang she made a lot of the networks and the show's best dressed list, diba?
Yes, and we met also her mother, whose dad is Filipino. So we were very happy to talk to her, and she was so happy to see all the Filipinos also at the Golden Globes.
Oo, nagtatagalog ba tong si Hailee?
Hindi. Pero ang mother niya used to work as a stewardess. So sabi niya sa akin na madalas siya magpunta sa Pilipinas as a result.
Okay. Itong si Hailee nakakapunta ng Pilipinas.
And I think we're very proud of her kasi she's earning all these raves sa True Grit. Pero ang interesting siya, mga unang nakaupo at nagdi-dinner sa ballroom. I'm sure later on siya na ang last na pumasok sa ballroom. Yeah.
Pagka ganun katulad siya, underage, nakapasok ba siya sa parties?
Oh yes, included naman lahat sila
Accompanied
sa
by,
parties. Accompanied by her mom. And they were cute, Justin and Hailey on stage as presenters. They were cute together.
Oo nga. Sige, pag-usapan natin yung chismis kung meron ba silang dalawa. Okay, we'll talk about that when we return on Kababayan LA. Don't go away.
Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks. McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa. Kahit saan, kahit kailan.